Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making index, HTML and declaring doctype HTML. This tells browsers to render modern HTML. Next, add metaname equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1 so it scales on phones, then link styles, CSS and create a basic semantic scaffold, header, nav, main, footer. Once done, add one sample heading and paragraph so you can see content. Save. Open the file in a browser and make iterative edits. This immediate feedback loop is how you learn and avoid guesswork. You now turn raw structure into a usable layout by choosing Grid or Flexbox for major regions. Grid handles two-dimensional layouts, while Flexbox excels for one-dimensional rows or columns. Make containers responsive with max width and percent units, and include media queries for breakpoints. Use semantic tags so assistive tech and search engines understand content. Once done, add forms and interactive elements with appropriate labels and area attributes to improve accessibility. Make sure to test at multiple viewport sizes to confirm. You finish by validating markup and styles to catch syntax errors, then minify CSS and bundle assets to reduce load time. Run a Lighthouse or similar audit to identify accessibility and performance fixes and implement recommendations. Push code to a repo, deploy to a static host or CDN, and verify live behavior. If something breaks, first open DevTools, check console errors and network requests, clear caches, and test in an incognito window. If layout still fails, isolate the element and simplify styles until the cause is clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.